Hey guys, I'm Leo Mendez and today I have a new video. A few days ago, we celebrated the birthday of a seminal piece in the world of synthesis and sound design. I am talking about the Russian inventor, Lev Termen, and to celebrate his legacy, we're going to use the control voltage of the Theremini to control the Mother-32. So, if you want to learn more, acompáñenme a ver el siguiente video. If this is the first time you're in my channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Leon Theremin is a really important piece in the synthesizer world. His instrument, the theremin box, is one of the most important in history, and 100 years later we can still enjoy his work. To celebrate what will be his 125th birthday, we're going to use an instrument that honors his inventions. I'm talking about the Moog Theremini, and today we're going to use the powerful but rarely commented control voltage output. The control voltage is one of the most important tools in the world of synthesis. It's a language that allows us to integrate instruments from multiple eras. The theremin, in all its version, has been a musical instrument that, through its operation, forces the user to be more expressive. We need to remember that we have two antennas, whose capacitive field is interrupted by the mass generated by our body, as well as everything that's around us. One antenna to control the amplitude and another antenna to control the pitch. On the Theremini we have a built-in speaker, headphone outputs, stereo outputs, MIDI USB control, a synth engine based on the Moog app, and the best of all, CV output. The first thing we're gonna do is the calibration process. This is quite simple. We only have to place the Theremini as far away as possible to any other object, in this case 1.5 meters. Once we have the Theremini in a comfortable position, we will start the calibration process. To enter this menu, we're gonna press Setup and Root. To start, we need to press the Setup key, and now the process asks us to move approximately 1.5 meters away from the Theremini. Now that we are as far away as possible, we're going to press the Setup key again. Now, in the next section, we're going to calibrate the pitch antenna. First, we need to position our arm as close as possible in a comfortable way. Then, we need to press the Setup key. Then, we need to bring our arm almost completely close to the body and press the Setup key again. The next antenna to calibrate is the volume one, and we need to bring our arm as close as possible without touching it. In this moment, we need to press the Setup key again. Now, without moving, we need to bring the hand that controls the volume to a comfortable position but far from the antenna. Now, let's press the Setup key again. Finally, let's test it. You need to remember that this process needs to be done as many times as necessary until you feel comfortable. Also, each time you move the Theremini to other place. In order to send voltage information to the Mother-32, we need to use the following cable. This cable will run from the control voltage output in white to the 1 volt per octave input in the Mother-32. To enter to the CV menu, we need to press the Setup key and scale. Once in there, we need to go through the menus using the Setup key. Now, to enter this menu, we need to press the Effects key. The first page that we can see is the MIDI one, where we're looking for the control voltage page. On this page, we have different options. For example, the source. In this case, we're gonna use note, but we can change it to pitch and also volume. The control voltage can range from 10 volts to 5 volts. In this case, we're gonna use 10 volts. And in the last option, it will allow us to apply the pitch correction to the control voltage output. And this means that we'll have quantized voltage, and it's perfect for the next part. Now, in the Mother-32, we're gonna generate a pretty basic sequence. This in order to have the same pitch in the theremin and in the Mother-32. With this, we're gonna control the Mother-32 pitch with the Theremini antenna. Now that they're in tune, let's create different sequences with the Mother-32, and let's have fun with the Theremini. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Yo soy Leo Méndez y nos vemos a la próxima.